With over 10 years of practice, Cruise Ship Solutions is committed to deliver professional and cost-effective manning solution to our partners. Our approach in dealing with crew and seafaring professionals starts from their initial recruitment and through their career growth. Our manning and crewing services are personalized to fit our clients' needs. We have dedicated personnel attending to our potential officers and crew, guiding them through their application process and providing technical support. Our crewing services will be responsible in handling documents of crew while also ensuring that benefits and other concerns are being managed properly. Cruise Ship Solutions has extensive experience in crewing cruise vessels. We envision being the most preferred crewing and manning partner of ship owners and principals who wish to employ committed and loyal Filipino crew on board their vessels, as we continuously provide an environment for growth and progress for all our crew, employees, and service suppliers. Cruise Ship Solutions is being led by a dynamic management team with extensive expertise and experience in crew management, recruitment, training, and personnel administration. At the Training Academy, our students are being taught in our hospitality and cruise facilities. To ensure excellence and competency in all our services, trainees perform housekeeping duties in the housekeeping demonstration room. Our students are not only trained to develop skills, but are also equipped with proper knowledge in the classroom. The Training Academy paves the way for students to be able to hone skills in preparing bar beverages, as well as waiting and serving food in the dining area. Cruise Ship Solutions Training Academy seeks to produce crews that are well trained in kitchen operations. From sanitation to dishwashing using the 3-compartment sink method, and more importantly, in food preparation. Cruise Ship Solutions, your turnkey solutions for manning and crew management services.